up their faces when they thought they'd break us. We were ready for the earthquake. For the earthquake. Their faces when they thought they'd break us.